It's vaccine day for India's teens. Young India's date with jab. Time to protect our kids from COVID. Decisive phase in India's COVID war. Passport to school days again.
It's all for the betterment of the country and for ourselves. क्योंकि जल्दी से कोविड भगाना है ताकि चीजें नॉर्मल हो पाए.
I'm actually excited and then I'll get to go somewhere and then go to college also. I'm actually excited to go to college.
Maximum reporters, maximum coverage. Ultimate vaccine primer on India Today. The V-Day for teens is finally here. India has opened the vaccination for the first time to 15 to 18-year-olds in a huge relief amidst the Omicron spike. I'm Chaiti Narula bringing you all the very latest. We'll get doctors to answer some FAQs as well. The mega inoculation drive has now begun in many states. Teens are being administered the indigenously developed Bharat Biotech's Covaxin shots. Approximately 10 crore children between the age group of 15 and 18 are eligible for vaccination starting today. Over 8 lakh registrations are recorded on the CoWIN platform this morning in the age group of 15 to 18 years. 159 centres have been designated as children's vaccination centres in the national capital. In Haryana, over 15 lakh children are eligible to get the shot. In Kerala, special vaccination centres have been set up. Priority is going to be given to those who have registered on the CoWIN portal. Assam is going to start the vaccination drive in 500 schools. Tamil Nadu has identified 33 lakh children to administer the shot at the respective educational institutions. States have been strictly instructed to avoid mixing of vaccines and create enough vaccination slots for children.
We are at the BKC Jammu Vaccination Centre. Today is a very important day for Mumbai at a time when COVID cases are on a rise, when Omicron cases are also increasing. Mumbai will start the vaccination drive for children between 15 to 18 years. But are the parents and the kids excited? Are they nervous? Let's get the ground check. First of all, ma'am, I'm from India Today. Help us understand, is there a sense of excitement or nervousness?
I think excitement because we've been waiting for the children to get vaccinated.
Right.
Nervousness because, I mean, they're our child after all, so we're a little worried about what the side effects could be, if anything. But I think it's important to get vaccinated.
I'm actually excited and then I'll get to go somewhere and then go to college also. I'm actually excited to go to college. First year in college and all, so.
The children, obviously some of them a little scared before they came to the vaccination centre, because of which you are seeing the selfie booths being made up almost in every vaccination centre. In some of the vaccination centres they have balloons too, to make sure children feel at ease. However, one thing is sure, now the parents can heave a sigh of relief because they believe the vaccination will help the children in stepping out. Most of the children were just fed up of sitting at home and not being able to mingle with their friends. But now, with India giving a green signal for the children to get vaccinated, it looks like children will be able to step out in large numbers in days to come. This is Aishwarya Paliwal reporting for India Today with camera person Shagun.
I'm feeling pretty healthy. Confidence आ गया है. Side effects की भी चिंता करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है सच तो, क्योंकि it's all for the betterment of the country and for ourselves. क्योंकि जल्दी से कोविड भगाना है ताकि चीज़ें नॉर्मल हो पाए.
This is a setup in a school, and the state government has also decided to involve schools and other education institutions in this particular action because it is much more easy to actually find the children and get them vaccinated. Here is a particular setup. You have all the medical equipment, everything which will be present at this point. And the state has also decided that as and when it gets the vaccines, especially for now we are getting Covaxin, this will be done because these are the children who actually gather in a group or several times, and there are a lot of chances for the variant, especially the Omicron variant, which is also spreading quickly in the state of Tamil Nadu, to cause a hazard, and that's the reason much more importance is given to this vaccination drive. With Madan, Pramod Madan, for India.
And